Welcome back, my dudes. Today we are going to be shooting. What is it, Karen? Can you fill me in? Can you show the people?
Gamo P800.
It's an airsoft pistol, and it has instructions. It's a proper firer. We've already loaded it. It properly fires. It has a spring lock, so it's able to fire without any air compression. And Karen is going to shoot something. What are you shooting, Karen, so I can get a thing on it?
I don't know, I'm going to just basically shoot that tree. I saw nothing.
Right. He saw nothing. Sorry, it's hard to record and unload at the same time. I have to fill this thing. Now I want you to record sight view, Karen, when a thingy. Try and be quick because my recording only lasts so long. Record a down sight with the camera. This is me holding it, guys. Ready? That's sick, that, guys. Join me next time, my dudes, because right now I'm running out of phone storage, so sorry.